Hi everyone, I thought I'd give you a quick update on the busy week we've got ahead of us. We've had this lovely MGC come in. It came in for a clutch replacement, and we've managed to fix it without having to replace the clutch. There was an issue with the pivot on the pedal. When you push the clutch in, there's loads of slop in it because it had worn the top of the clutch pedal. So we've welded that, repaired that, and now the clutch is working really well. So it's brilliant, good news for the customer. We don't have to take the engine out and replace the clutch. Still some servicing work, new prop shaft, fuel tank, a number of other repairs that need to be done on it. We've also got a pair of mini carburetors, Cooper, in at the moment for a rebuild. That'll be happening later in the week. And also, the car that's been a big project for quite a while, a lovely early MGB, has had a full paint job and lots of bright work replacement, loads of mechanical from a customer in Dublin. So this car has now had its road test, its final tune-up. So we've just got a polish and final fettle before that goes out back to Ireland. Also, we've had a car delivered from Spain for a customer that's moving back from Spain. So that needs a full going through before it goes back on the road in the UK. Some mechanical repair there as well. So plenty to do, and thanks very much. Cheers. Bye.